The overall goal of this procedure is to assess cognitive aspects underlying upper limb control in children with movement disabilities. This is accomplished by studying event-related brain potentials during simple manual target response tasks.
This method can help answer key questions related to the underlying cognitive processes that might contribute to specific movement restrictions in children with movement disabilities.
The implications of this technique extend toward therapy in children with cerebral palsy because it allows us to unravel different cognitive factors that also contribute to the individual movement restrictions.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical, as child-friendly EEG recordings and adapted event-related potential protocols suitable for children with movement restrictions are difficult to learn.
Begin by choosing visual stimuli that are easy to distinguish based on color or shape. Use simple graphic designs, like smiley faces, that will keep a child's attention on the task and ensure that they are big enough on the screen to be easily recognized by a child. Present the stimuli to the left or right side of the screen to respectively induce left or right hand movements. Include a background stimulus to the other side of the screen to control for stimulus lateralization. To register responses to the stimuli, provide the child with 2 big response buttons with very low response force requirements to ensure that children are easily able to respond.